Hello, Assalamu alaikum my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English literature class for class 1 students. Our today's topic, Unit 7, True, False and fill in the blanks. So look at the board. Class 1, subject English literature, topic Unit 7, fill in the blanks plus true false. Lecture 5, today lecture 5, SW will be 4. Term manual, teacher Ariful Islam, and contact number. Okay. So my dear students, open your book, Unit 7. Let's again read the unit quickly, and then we will solve in the blanks and true false. Unit 7, buzzing base. Rishi is reading a book. Zzz, there is a sound coming from anywhere. What is that sound? Rishi looks around. Bees. There are 2 bees in the room. How many bees? 2 bees. What are they doing? They are buzzing around the flowers. They look angry. These flowers do not smell sweet. They say, why do not smell sweet? Oh, they are paper flowers. They are not really loves Rishi. So, bees, so go into the garden. There are real flowers in the garden, says Rishi. The bees fly away to the garden. There are many flowers there. They sit on a flower. Can you give us some nectar and some pollen to make honey? Asked a bee. So nectar means a sweet juice found in flowers, and pollen a kind of powder that plants make. This is very important for today's class. Next page. Of course, here you are, says the flower. Thank you, say the bees. How can we help you? The flower says, please carry some pollen to other flowers. Help them to make seeds. Of course, say the bees. The bees are very happy. The flowers is happy too. So my dear students, let's solve the problem, fill in the blanks. So number 1, Rishi is dash a book. What will be in the gap? So Rishi is dash a book. Let's go to the unit. Rishi is reading a book. So in the gap we will write reading. Please come here. Rishi is reading. Spelling R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D, read. Then we will add I-N-G, reading. So Rishi is reading a book. Next one. There are dash bees in the room. So how many bees were in the room? We will go to the unit again. Look at this line. There are 2 bees in the room. How many bees in the room? 2 bees in the room. So we will write 2 in the fill in the gaps. There are 2. 2 is spelling T-W-O, 2. So there are 2 bees in the room. Number 3. Bees are buzzing around the dash. What will be the answer? Next, go to the unit again. They are buzzing around the flowers. Not flower. We will give add after the flowers. Why? Because there are many flowers in the vase. Okay? So the answer will be bees are buzzing around the flowers. This is not flower. We will have to add s. Why s? Because there are many flowers in the vase. Okay? So next one, true false. The flowers are real in the room. Is it correct or True or false? The flowers are real in the room. Okay, let's go to the unit again. Oh, they are paper flowers. They are not real. So the flowers are not real in the room. So this one is false. The flowers are real in the room. This is true or false? This is false because the flowers are not real in the room. So false. Spelling F-A-L-A-C, false. Number 2. The bees fly away to the garden. True or false? Again, come to the unit. Look at this line. The bees fly away to the garden. So this one is true. So we will write the bees fly away to the garden. This is true. True spelling T-R-E-W, true. Okay, last one. Number 3. Pollen is the kind of juice found in flowers. Okay, so let's go to the unit. This is true or not? Look at this para. Can you give us some nectar and some pollen to make honey? So nectar means a sweet juice found in flowers, and pollen means a kind of powder that plants make. That's why in the question is given, look, pollen is a kind of juice found in flowers. This is false because nectar is a kind of juice, not pollen. Pollen is a kind of powder. So this one is also false. Okay, let's read that again. Fill in the blanks. Rishi is reading a book. There are 2 bees in the room. Bees are buzzing around the flowers. True or false? The flowers are real in the room. False. The flowers are not real in the room. The bees fly away to the garden. This is true. And pollen is a kind of juice found in flowers. This is false because this should be nectar is a kind of juice found in flowers. So this one is false because here pollen is given. Pollen is a kind of juice found in flowers. That's why this is false because pollen is a kind of powder, not juice. Okay, so homework SW4 unit 7, fill in the blanks and true false. Look at this, you have city mark 10, SB mark 10, 20 total, and we are giving 2 mark each of the SW. So if you multiply 10 to 2, it will be 20. So if you do not submit your SW, you will not get 2 mark each SW. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. You will also return back or get back the copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. This SW is very important because we are giving SBA and city mark on the basis of the submission of your SW. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home. About your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.